Hello, welcome to the final section, Database Structures and Machine Learning. In this final section, we will focus on the concepts and types of machine learning. Now we move on to the first video, Data Structures and Data Models. In this video, we will be zooming the spotlight on data structures and data models, and also understanding the difference between both. Let's start with data structures. A data structure can be defined as a method of organizing large amounts of data more efficiently so that any operation on that data becomes easy. This image is a simple binary tree where the data is organized efficiently by structuring it. Data structures are created in such a way as to implement one or more particular abstract data type, or ADT, which in turn will stipulate what operations can be performed on the data structure, as well as the computational complexity of those operations. Database design is then the process of using the defined data structures to produce a detailed data model, which will become the database. This data model must contain all of the required logical and physical design selections, as well as the physical storage parameters needed to produce a design in a data definition language, DDL, which can then be used to create an actual database. So, is a data structure a data model? No, a data structure is used to create a data model. Is this data model the same as data models used in statistics? Let's see that now. You will find that statistical data models are at the heart of statistical analytics. In the simplest terms, a statistical data model is defined as a representation of a state, process, or system that we want to understand and reason about. Data scientists develop statistical data models so that they can draw inferences from them and, more importantly, make predictions about a topic of concern. Statistical data models come in a multitude of different formats and flavors. These models can be equations linking quantities that we can observe or measure. They can also be simply sets of rules. Databases can be designed or formatted to simplify the entering of online transactions. Where or how do you find the difference between a data structure or database and a statistical model? At a high level, as we speculated earlier, we can conclude that a data structure or database is practically the same thing as a statistical data model. The relationships between variables in a statistical model may be found to be much more complicated than simply straightforward to recognize and understand. An illustration of this is awareness of effect statistics. An effect statistic is one that shows or displays a difference in value to one that is associated with a difference related to one or more other variables. One more note of interest is that both a data structure or database and a statistical model can be seen as tools or vehicles that aim to generalize a population. A database uses SQL to aggregate or summarize data, and a statistical model summarizes its data using effect statistics. Okay, hopefully we have successfully presented the notion that data structures or databases and statistical data models are, in many ways, very similar.